What is good, ladies and gentlemen? The market has been absolutely insane. Bitcoin pumping above all-time highs. What's going on with Ethereum? Ethereum making a higher high from the previous all-time highs. This is the highest it's been since its all-time highs from 2017, I'm pretty sure. And so with this video, guys, I wanted to bring you an update, not on Bitcoin or Ethereum, but on what I think could be the #1 best altcoin in all of cryptocurrency for this next bull run. Could that be? Could that be? Well, let's talk about it, guys. If you like the sound of that, I want to ask you if you could please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. So, guys, I've been looking to expand my portfolio a little bit, and there's tons of good coins out there, but one coin that kept popping up is Synthetix, SNX, and I'd like to talk about it. So essentially, SNX exists in the derivatives market space, which what that kind of means is SNX allows for the tokenization of all different kinds of assets and allows for the leverage long and short trading of that asset. So you can basically trade an asset, a representation of the asset, without trading the asset itself. Now, I know that sounds kind of complicated, and perhaps I'm not explaining it the best I could, but I really want to just delve into why I think Synthetix, SNX, would be amazing long term. And I think I want to begin by talking about what Elio Trades mentioned in one of his videos where he talked about Synthetix, which is in the legacy market space, like when it comes to stocks, futures, all that good stuff. The derivatives market is far, far larger than the actual trading of the underlying assets market. So, guys, like I mentioned earlier, derivatives, you trade representations of an asset, not the actual asset itself, right? And with derivatives, you could trade in far greater quantities in values than the actual underlying asset itself. So, for example, in a legacy market, you might be able to trade an asset like that's worth $100. But in a derivatives market, like you could trade a contract of whatever asset that's worth $1,000, tens of thousands of dollars, $1 million. And so the derivatives market is far larger than the actual underlying asset market itself. I hope I'm doing an okay job of trying to explain this. But my point is with Synthetix is that in cryptocurrency, it's the exact opposite. The derivatives market is far, far smaller than the actual asset market, the trading of assets. And so if we are indeed to get a bull run with, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many alts, and large institutional players are getting into the space, eventually the derivatives market is going to grow in cryptocurrency. And if you're telling me, with some of the largest alts, we could expect a 20, 30, 40, 50x. And in crypto, the derivatives market is far smaller than the actual trading of the asset, market. That means, if something like Synthetix, which is the largest player in derivatives in crypto today by far, if the whole market, let's say just the altcoin market, does a 30x, but then the derivatives market is let's concede that it's bound eventually to be larger than the actual asset market. Something like Synthetix could do absolutely amazing. Now, guys, this is not financial advice. Who know? I don't even know if I'm doing anything close to a good job trying to explain what this is. I hope I am. At the very least, I hope I can maybe spark your interest and you can do your own research. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are not financial advice. These assets are highly volatile, okay? I hope maybe you take this and you do more research yourself. But essentially, guys, with crypto set to explode and the derivatives market set to be possibly larger than the actual assets itself, and the derivatives market currently being smaller, vastly smaller in crypto than the actual asset market, something like Synthetix could, in my mind, theoretically blow up. Not to mention that Token Metrics constantly ranks Synthetix as one of, if not the best long-term hold for like a year. As I watch like Token Metrics live streams all the time. I've used the actual platform in the past myself. I love it. I think it's a great tool. Okay, and they constantly rank Synthetix as one of their best long-term holds. And so, guys, Synthetix has had a massive run up over the past little while here. Since was this November? Since the beginning of November, right? Now, I don't have a price prediction. Honestly, price predictions are kind of bullshit. I just do them for fun. But I have no idea where this thing's gonna go. I think at the very least it's gonna go to its all-time highs, for sure. But we've had a massive run up. We kind of made a lower high, I suppose you could say. So we may still see some downturning, but I've begun to add Synthetix to my long-term bags. So we'll see what happens with this thing. Yeah, that's I'll wrap it up there with Synthetix. But before I wrap up the video, I want to talk about gold-backed cryptocurrency GSX. Because if you're interested in it, there's a 5% sign-up bonus down in the description below, and I get a commission when you sign up with the 5% sign-up bonus down below. I hope that makes sense. Also, as well, I'll leave a link down to Synthetix white paper, so you guys can check that out too. Some interesting stuff. This is approximating English, but if you're smarter than me, hopefully you'll understand what a lot of this means. But guys, GSX is made by Apollo Fintech. Apollo Fintech runs these gold mines. Half the profits from these gold mines will go to actually backing the cryptocurrency itself. Okay, I'm gonna leave a link down to their website, their white paper, and a video where I delve in depth the pros and cons with this thing. Okay, they offer a 31% sign-up bonus. They're working on a Binance listing. They're selling for 10 US cents a coin. This is their timeline right here. They will be paying yearly dividends, and there will be a token burn. So guys, I really want to encourage you guys to do your own research, but if you like the idea of gold-backed cryptocurrency, like I said, 5% sign-up bonus down in the description below. Please practice risk management, meaning don't invest anything you're not willing to lose. Please practice portfolio diversification, and please understand your own risk tolerances, okay? Do you not like risky things? Then maybe something like Bitcoin or Ethereum is for you. Are you, more willing to invest into something new and intriguing? Then perhaps, consider this and do your own research. Okay, guys, so I want to mention what I see as the biggest con with this thing, which is I have no idea how well Apollo Fintech is running these gold mines. They could be running them terribly. They could be running them great. I have no clue. Guys, this fell into my risk tolerances. I found this compelling enough for myself that I decided to invest in it, but only you can decide what's best for yourself. Okay, guys, please do your own research. Links for all those resources will be down in the description below. Guys, we started a Discord and a Twitter where we talk crypto, major news, catalysts, all that good stuff, trades. So please check out our Discord and our Twitter. Links for that is down in the description below. Also, guys, Bybit, I love Bybit. If you're, an experienced trader or kind of what you're doing, I always recommend to people Bybit. I've been using Binance for the longest time, and I recently started using Bybit some more, and I love it. Bybit's, in my opinion, a lot better than Binance. So check that out, guys. Link that for that down in the description below. Also, if you guys are interested in securing your crypto safely, the Ledger wallet is one of the safest ways to do so. There's a link down in the description for the Ledger Nano S and the Ledger Nano X to their website. If you click on our link below and you buy any of the ledgers, we get a commission based off that. So yeah, guys, do your own research. You don't have to store them on a ledger. There are plenty of safe wallets you can get on your phone, on your computer that are free. But the ledgers are one of the safest ways to store your crypto. So if you're thinking about it, check out our link down in the description below. Guys, if you've made it this far, you are a trooper. I appreciate the hell out of each and every last one of you. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit the bell icon to be notified of new uploads. That is it for now, y'all. I'll talk to you later.